Good morning, my dear students. Again, I welcome you all in online classes run by the Legend School. Now, in previous video, we had discussed about the types of nutrition, modes of nutrition, as like heterotrophic mode, autotrophic mode, and their examples. So now, just mark some important points on your notebook. The process of photosynthesis takes place in the green plants. Or in green leaves of a plant or in green leaves of a plant. Okay, just mark second point. The food is prepared by green leaves of a plant in the form of simple sugar called glucose. Just mark the third point. The extra glucose is changed into another food called starch. Starch is the simplest form of carbohydrate, glucose. Okay, and this starch is stored. Extra glucose. Okay, mark their point. Highlight. Extra glucose is changed into another food called starch, and this starch is stored in the fruits and leaves of the plants. Okay, and last remaining one point is there. The green plants convert sunlight energy into chemical energy by making carbohydrate. Okay, understand my points? Nothing confusion is there? Okay, just mark here. Next a question: how the plants obtain carbon dioxide? In previous video already I suggest you to write their own views about how the plants obtain carbon dioxide, how the water transport in the body of plants. Okay, how many of you prepare? Okay, good. Just note down their answer. Few points about how the plants obtain carbon dioxide. First point: there are a large number of teeny pores. Called stomata present under the surface of leaves of a plant. There are a large number of teeny pores called stomata present on the surface of the leaves of a plant. Okay, what is a stomata? Oh, good. Teeny pores. Nice, good. Now just mark second point. The carbon dioxide gas enters into the leaves of the plant through the stomata present under the surface of leaves, Okay, do you understand my points? Clear? Okay, just next point. Each stomatal pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells. Guard cells, पहरेदार. पहरेदारी का guard means पहरेदार. Okay, each stomatal pore is surrounded by a pair of guard cells, and the opening and the closing of the stomatal pores is controlled by the guard cells. Okay, opening and closing will completely depending on the working process of guard cell. Okay, the structure of guard cell is like bean shaped. Bean, जैसे आपने देखा होगा रजमा देखा है ना, उस तरह का होता है. Okay, and just change the paragraph. When water flows into the guard cells, दे स्विल सूजन, स्विलिंग हो जाती है, सूजन हो जाती है. ओके, व्हेन वाटर फ्लोज इनटू द गार्ड सेल्स दे स्विल बिकम्स कर्व्ड and cause the pore to open okay. And on the other hand, when guard cell lose water, they shrink, become straight and close the stomatal pores. Okay, as you can already studied in standard 9th in chapter cell about a process that's name is osmosis. याद आ रहा है? Osmosis, it is a process in which the transfer of the exchanging of a spontaneous net movement of solvent molecules through a selectively permeable membrane into a region of higher solute concentration. Okay, in the direction that tends to equalize the solute concentration on the two sides. Okay, in simple form, as you can say, osmosis is the movement of water molecule through a semi-permeable membrane. Osmosis is the movement of water through a semi-permeable membrane from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. Okay, tending to equalize, उसका काम क्या रहता है? Equalize करना, equalize the concentration of the water. Okay, equalize the concentration of the water. Generally, osmosis is a passive process. Meaning, what is the meaning of passive process? The meaning is there is it doesn't require energy to be supplied. It doesn't require energy to be applied or equalize the concentration of the water. Okay, understand my points? Now just note one question: how the plants obtain water for photosynthesis? Same question. Here I will discuss about the functions, how plants obtain water obtains through their roots. Okay, a similar process through the process of osmosis through the xylem or phloem. Okay, or you mark it. How the plants obtain water for photosynthesis and what is the site of photosynthesis? The site, it means किस place पर. The site of photosynthesis in a cell of the leaf of its chloroplast, okay, which contain chlorophyll. Okay, and the chloroplast are mainly present in the photosynthetic cells. Photosynthetic cells means the mesophyll pores, the mesophyll cells that present in the mesophyll cells of the green plants, and these cells contain more chlorophyll than the other plants. Okay, now in our next video we will discuss about next topic. Okay, understand? Any question you will ask anytime. Thank you. घर पर रहिए, सुरक्षित रहिए. ओके, लॉकडाउन की अवधि बढ़ चुकी है जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, तो लगातार पढ़ाई जारी रखना है. हम सबको पढ़ाई में बाधा नहीं बनना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, बाय. लेटर मीट यू विथ यू. थैंक यू.